this is Meredith from VidProMom.com, and I am so excited to dive into the latest, greatest version of Adobe Premiere Elements. It's Premiere Elements 2018, and it's got a lot of really great features. So I think this idea of automatic editing of your action cam footage is kind of a big new thing these days in video editing. It's perfect for action cameras like GoPros. It's perfect for hobby videos and family movies and things like that, where lots of people are all of a sudden realizing they have all these clips and some things need to be edited out and they need to edit different clips together, and it gets overwhelming really quickly. Well, the folks over at Adobe have added an action cam guided edit to Premiere Elements 2018, and today I'm partnering with them to bring you this tutorial and some tips and tricks for editing your action cam footage, like from your GoPro or your drone, anything where you have kind of a wide angle lens. I'm going to show you the Smart Trim function, which I love. That's that kind of automatic editing that I was talking about. We're also going to talk about the lens distortion removal. So if you have a super wide angle and you're not really liking that fisheye effect, you can actually reduce that within Premiere Elements 18. And then we're going to talk a little bit about color correction. The Action Cam guided edit keeps it really simple and easy for you, because color correction can be a little bit of a balancing act. So let's hop onto my computer and get started with this Action Cam guided edit.